Did you know that you can cut your hair at home and save a bunch of money? I'm going to show you guys how I cut my hair like this. If you like it, hopefully you do. If you don't, you don't. Very last part of the video after I say goodbye and everything, I was like, screw it, I want it to be shorter. So if you're wondering how I cut my hair like this, if you want to cut your hair at home and it actually look nice, I think this looks nice. You may not think it looks nice, but I think I look cute with bangs. Go ahead and jump to that video so you can see how to cut your hair like this and have some change without hurting your pocketbook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section, I'm going to go right here above my ear, and I'm going to go straight back till your fingers meet and they touch, and I'm going to pull this section out, and this is going to be my length, right? Now, I bought this. I'll post a link to this in the description box. You can just use your fingers. Last time I cut my hair like this, you guys were screaming at the screen saying, just cut the hair, because I had Zumi and Dominic do it, and it took them forever. Pull it together. Comb. Oh, grab it. Okay. Comb it straight down. Okay, comb it straight down, not out, just down, and hold all the hair together. You're going out. Like no, down, against my back. Like push it like this. Yes. Okay. But don't pull it out. Like put it against my back. Yes, like that. Now comb it again and do it. Jesus, Mom. And only about this much. Straight line across.
Move, Slippy.
You're holding it with your fingers?
Yes. Right here?
I don't know.
Move, Slippy.
Bucci, come here. Come.
It's right here.
He's always trying to get in the
video. Look at the camera. It's right here. It's right there.
Oh, no, that's way too much.
Okay.
Let me see.
That's not way too much.
I mean, I said this much.
I don't know how to do hair.
Just go straight down, comb it against my back. Okay.
All the way down? Is that how you like it right here?
Yes, you hold the hair like this. Look, you hold the hair like this between your fingers, and then you cut at the end.
Okay. Let me do it again.
And it's only like that much hair.
That's what I had it at. Okay, wait.
You're holding it tight,
yes. And
then a straight line across.
Okay, right here. Got it, right?
Yeah, okay.
Do I cut it?
I don't know, I'm trusting you.
Do you know how to do hair?
No. Dominic, you want to do it? Just comb it straight down against my back. You hold the hair like this between your fingers, and then cut off about this much, just a straight line.
Move your hands. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. It's gonna kill me.
Do you guys do it?
Yeah, he's doing it.
Wait. I look at it.
No, I trust you. It's an inch. There, you guys got an inch off.
You sure?
Did you?
Did we?
I don't know.
Is it?
Well, yeah, there's the hair. There's the proof. Does it look fuller?
I don't know hair, Mom, so I don't really know if it's fuller.
You gotta hold the hair all tight. Yeah.
It looks off a little bit.
Yeah.
I can show you a picture.
Hold on, wait. I'm gonna ask for trimmer.
Hold it. Like that?
Yeah, as long as it's straight line across.
Cool. I'll go look at it in the mirror. So.
Okay, let me look. I will say they did a pretty good job, or he did a pretty good job, because look how much fuller. Can you see? So I'm going to use this. This is foolproof. And if you feel like the person who's going to cut your hair is not the best with scissors, you can always do clippers. This even makes it more foolproof. What you're going to do is you're going to put it in the hair, and they're going to cut on the bottom base here. So let me show you. You're going to gather all the hair together. Remember, this is our length. So make sure that it's straight. Maybe I'll go up a little bit more because I want my hair to still be longer. So above the ear, I'm going to go up just a pinch more. You're going to close it You're going to lock it on the side. And you're going to pull it all the way down flat against your clothes. Honey, can you do this?
Huh?
Can you do this? You're going to pull it all the way down.
What? How do I do?
So you're going to pull that straight. You're going to hold it tight and pull it all the way down until you get to about an inch to the end. And then you're just going to go straight across with the clippers. Is it in frame?
Doesn't it pull?
Yeah, of course it's pulling it straight. It's
Wow.
fine. Just like you're pulling my hair softly. About an inch and a half to the end. And then stop.
Okay, right there.
Okay, let's make... Are we in frame?
Yeah.
You can see it on camera?
It looks longer here.
That's fine. It is going to be longer on one side than the other. Here you go. It's about an inch and a half.
Yeah. I mean, I don't have a measuring tape, but yeah, it's...
It has a leveler in the middle, so you know to hold it straight. And you have to push it against my back. It has to be flat against my back.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm a hairstylist.
Got the whole thing?
Yeah.
And is it straight?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show them. Should be straight.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, now pin that out of the way, put it in a ponytail, whatever you're going to do. Take this out of the way. So I'm just going to pin it up really quick. Now, the next section, we're going to go, so here's the ear, right in front of the ear, right? We're going to go straight up, right? Straight up. We're going to put this in a ponytail. Now the rest of the hair, it's going to go same thing in another ponytail. So we're going to just grab it. Okay, so we're going to start with the first section. We're going to make this really easy, okay? Either you can hold your hands out like this, almost like you have a unicorn horn, right, facing out, and then cut it with the scissors. Or you can take the clippers to make it so much quicker. So we're going to take clippers to make it quicker. And you can also use this if you want to go like, let's see here, like this. If you had wanted to, but I'm not going to. Most of you guys don't have that tool. I usually use that just for my length. So I'm combing it flat, right? Go forward, go forward. I'm taking off a lot more because I want to show you guys a difference. So we got forward, right? Facing out. We're going to go straight up and cut it off. Do you see how much quicker that is? And how straight line it is? Look at that. No, cut, 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 cut. Release it. Same thing with this one. The only difference, though, between this one and that one is that I'm going to grab the top hair right here. I'm going to grab a piece. The top one right here. Like I'm going to take that top section and I'm going to use it as a guide for my next one. So that they match. Put it right there. So you can see, here's the guide right there. I'm going up and up. Let's do that again because I was looking sideways. Right there. We're just going to go. Release that guide though. And then go straight up and cut it. Look, 2 seconds and it's done. You see the layers? Look at that. Beautiful. You see the layers? Beautiful. And I still have length, even though Eric took it a good amount off. You can see how it looks fuller at the base here, but you have the constant layers. And if I go this way, you have more body. Now, if you want to, look at that, like it's just it's perfect. Boom, boom, boom. You see? All the layers in it, just gorgeous. If you want your ends to be a little bit more soft, you could take your scissors. So you just grab, boom, this side section like this. Push this back. And what you do is you'll take your scissors. This is only optional. And you'll just cut like straight up in it at the edges. Not against it, straight up in it at the edges like this. And if you want this to even blend more, you can just kind of just take it down a little bit like that, but you're just going up against it, and then it makes it so much more soft, as you can see. Super easy. My bangs, I mean, you could take a little ponytail here and cut it like that. I would prefer you just grabbing the middle section like this, cutting longer than the length you want, and then just grabbing it, pulling it together and having that base that you had already cut, twisting it, and then cut. Anyways, when you twist them, I'll show you a video of someone twisting them. It gives you like this U. And that's kind of like what you want, is the U. But there you go. Simple, quick, easy, beautiful, layered, and you didn't break the bank. You didn't spend like $100, $200 getting your hair done at a salon. You're layered. It looks gorgeous. You kept your length, and it looks thick at the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I love you guys. Mwah. Remember, God loves you. Own yourself. Be authentic. Be yourself. You are an original masterpiece, and that's how God created you to be. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.